If you have knee pain, there's several things you can do. So first, to try feeling better, rest your knee. Avoid activities that make the pain worse, like running or jumping, okay? You gotta give your knee time to heal. I know it sucks, but healing will help. Using ice is another good way to reduce the pain and the swelling. You can wrap some ice in a cloth and place it on your knee for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you do this a few times a day. Next, try gentle stretches and exercises. Stretching your legs can help you keep your muscles flexible. And some simple exercises like leg lifts or just walking can strengthen your knee without putting too much pressure on it. Okay? I would do even cycling. It's much better than running, that's for sure. There's no, Wearing supportive shoes can also help. Good shoes provide cushioning and support, which can reduce knee pain. And if you're overweight, losing a little weight can also relieve pressure in your knees, obviously. If the pain doesn't go away, it's important to talk to a parent or a doctor. They can give you more advice and check if there's bigger issues. So remember, taking care of your knees is important so you can keep playing and moving around comfortably. All right? And do some cycling. That's going to really help, strengthening your kneecaps, your knees. And stationary bike, man. I'm telling you, there's no hard hits when you're running around in the streets.